Let's explore all the awesome clothes we wear in the summer, like t-shirts, shorts, and sunglasses. Get ready to learn what we wear when it's hot and sunny. T-shirt. I like to wear my t-shirt when it's sunny. Shorts. I like to wear shorts when I play outside. Sunglasses. I like to wear sunglasses to keep my eyes safe from the sun. Swimsuit. I like to wear my swimsuit when I go swimming. Hat. I like to wear my hat to keep my head cool. Flip-flops. I like to wear flip-flops when I walk on the beach. Tank top. I like to wear a tank top when it's super hot. Sunscreen. I like to put on sunscreen to protect my skin from the sun. Beach towel. I like to sit on my beach towel after swimming in the sea. Cap. I like to wear my cap to stay cool in the sun. Dress. I like to wear a pretty dress on warm summer days. Skirt. I like to wear my skirt when I go to the park. Sandals. I like to wear sandals when I'm walking around outside. Raincoat. I like to wear my raincoat when it's rainy. Knee socks. I like to wear knee socks with my summer dresses. Pajamas. I like to wear my cozy pajamas at night during summer. Hi kids, repeat after me. T-shirt. Shorts. Sunglasses. Swimsuit. Hat. Flip-flops. Tank top. Sunscreen. Beach towel. Hat. Dress. Skirt. Sandals.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.